Homes with patios or backyard spaces are designed for connection to fresh air, outdoor gatherings, and relaxed living. The right windows can strengthen that connection while maintaining comfort indoors. For homeowners in Covington, slider windows are a practical and stylish choice for homes with patio or backyard access, offering convenience, ventilation, and unobstructed views. Why window style matters near outdoor spaces. Areas near patios and backyards are often high traffic zones. Windows in these spaces should enhance accessibility and airflow without interfering with movement or furniture placement. Slider windows are ideal for Covington homes because they open horizontally along a track rather than swinging inward or outward. This makes them especially practical in spaces where doors, walkways, or outdoor furniture are nearby. Seamless indoor-outdoor connection. Slider windows create a wide, open viewing area that strengthens the visual link between indoor and outdoor spaces. In Covington homes, this clear sightline allows homeowners to enjoy backyard views from kitchens, dining rooms, or living areas. Whether watching children play outside or enjoying garden landscaping, slider windows help bring the outdoors into daily life. Easy ventilation for patio-adjacent rooms. Rooms near patios often benefit from additional airflow, especially during mild weather. Slider windows allow one panel to slide open easily, creating a generous opening for fresh air. For Covington homeowners, this makes it simple to circulate air between indoor living areas and backyard spaces. Space-saving operation in rooms with limited wall space or furniture placed near windows. Traditional swinging windows can be inconvenient. Slider windows operate smoothly along a horizontal track without taking up interior or exterior space. Covington homeowners appreciate how this design preserves layout flexibility while still providing full functionality. Enhancing entertaining spaces. Homes with patios often serve as gathering spots for family and friends. Windows near these areas should support entertaining without becoming obstacles. Slider windows allow Covington homeowners to open up living areas easily, encouraging airflow and conversation between indoor and outdoor spaces. This enhances the overall hosting experience. Supporting natural light. Patio and backyard-facing walls are often ideal locations for natural light. Slider windows maximize glass surface area, allowing ample daylight to enter. In Covington homes, this brightens common areas and creates welcoming spaces throughout the day. Easy operation for everyday convenience. Windows near backyard access are often used frequently. Ease of use matters. Slider windows are simple to operate, making them convenient for Covington homeowners who want quick access to fresh air without complicated hardware or heavy lifting. Maintaining clear views. Unlike windows divided by multiple vertical elements, slider windows typically feature large glass panels with minimal framing. This design enhances outdoor visibility. For Covington residents, that means uninterrupted backyard views and improved supervision of outdoor activities. Improving comfort near window areas. Rooms near patios can sometimes feel warmer or cooler depending on airflow and exposure. Properly installed slider windows help regulate ventilation in Covington homes, keeping these spaces comfortable and usable year-round. A smart choice for patio-focused living. Patios and backyards are valuable extensions of the home. The right window style should complement that lifestyle. For homeowners in Covington, slider windows offer the perfect balance of function and design. With smooth operation, generous ventilation, and wide open views, they enhance the connection between indoor living spaces and outdoor areas. Whether enjoying a quiet evening or hosting friends, slider windows support comfortable, flexible living in homes designed for backyard enjoyment.